Hi friends, I am Rahul. Today I am going to tell you how to install Windows 11 officially, which is a stable version of Windows 11 and this version do not have any bugs. First of all, open the PC Health Check software and check that does your PC meets all the minimum system requirements for Windows 11, then click on the link mentioned in the description of this video. Now click on the first Download Now button. Now your Windows 11 Download Assistant software will be downloaded, but if you want to create the USB installation media, then go to the last and select Windows 11 and click Download. Now come back to the Windows 11 upgradation, open the downloaded file. After opening, read all the terms and conditions and click on Accept and Install button. Now your Windows 11 has started downloading. In second stage, downloaded file will be checked, and in the third step the downloaded Windows 11 will be installed on your PC. After installing 100%, click on Restart Now button. Your PC will be restarted several times, and it may take few minutes. After installing, enter your password. After entering, it may take few moments to start. Now your official and stable version of Windows 11 has installed successfully. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please don't forget subscribe.